Okay, so in this video we will add environment to our project. So let me tell you guys that you can use your own environment if you want, but if you want to follow me, then I will provide the download link to the environment which I will be using. So here is the environment zip file, and let me tell you one thing more, that I don't own this environment. This is from the Unity Asset Store, so you can just go ahead and take this environment from the Unity Asset Store. Okay, so let's go ahead and extract this right here, and after extracting it will give us this new folder in which there will be a environment package. So double click on the package, and as you can see it will automatically open up the Unity, and then it is now preparing the package. So this is all of the files inside this package. Let's just quickly click on import, and in few seconds this package will be inside our project. So as you can see right here in the assets, we have this starter asset file, and then we have this environment, then town constructor pack, and right here you will find all of the materials, the modular parts of different buildings, highway, on-road decoration, roads, etc, etc. Then you will have this pre-built buildings as well, so you can add this to your own environment if you want, but we want a pre-built environment as well. So if you click on scene, and then in the scene we have this town scene, and as you can see inside the town scene we have this beautiful town already created, as you can see. So we will use this whole environment, okay, for creating our GTA 5 clone. So let me give you an overview of the environment. If you open up this main environment game object right here, we have the directional light, then we have the particle system, okay, the smoke particle system which will be coming from the ground, as you can see right here, okay. And after the particle system we have the static mesh, which is for the trees and different decoration pieces, as you can see. And at the end we have the event system, then this is the camera, okay. And if we see our beautiful environment, as you can see there are many detailed buildings and streets, and then we have the street decoration, the street traffic lights, etc, etc. We don't have the police station right here, nor we have the player home or the gangster home, or you can say Gonzalez home. We will add that in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. For now we just have this open beautiful environment, and it is already set up. So now in the next video we will add our player to this environment, and we will design our player, and we will also make the player controls, and we will move on further and further. So with our environment added, catch you guys in the next video.